What if I told you that you could start making money online with just a laptop and Google Maps? No marketing knowledge or technical skills needed. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection, and you can do it from anywhere in the world. This is one of the simplest and most overlooked online business models, and the best part is literally anyone can do it. In this video, I will walk you through the process step by step. How do you find clients who need your help, and what exactly do you offer them so they'll pay you month after month? Many people of my community are already using this exact strategy, and they are not marketing experts or programmers. And don't worry, I'm not trying to sell you a course or coaching here. All I ask in return is a like on this video, share it with a friend who might find it helpful, and write a comment down below once you've done that. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use Google Maps to find local businesses, offer them a simple solution, and get paid monthly. Even if you've never made a single dollar online before. Let's dive right in. So what we actually do is work with local businesses, and that can be any kind of local business. Before you skip, we won't run paid ads on Facebook or similar platforms, and we also won't do any long-term SEO strategies that take months to see results. Just think about your hairdresser, the landscaper around the corner, the roofer, a massage studio, or your trusted dentist. They all have one thing in common: they run a business. And even if it doesn't always look like it, every one of those businesses has some kind of problem. They either get too few clients, attract the wrong ones, or they are unhappy with their website. We'll now look at Google Maps and see which of those problems we can directly identify. And then we offer them a solution in the form of a simple software. They never need to understand how the software works. You just set it up once for them and it runs on its own. In the third step, it's all about getting paid monthly. And that's not a burden for them because they gain real benefits. Think about it. You're a local business and every new client brings you, on average, $500, for example. Wouldn't you instantly spend $100 or $200 to win that client? That's exactly what we are doing here. So we go to Google and type in an industry we either have experience in or simply enjoy. For example, roofer near me. Or you can also type in roofer in a specific city. Scroll down a bit and you will see the Google Maps overview. Click more businesses to get the full list. Usually you'll first see sponsored ads. You can skip those. We focus only on the organic listings because we know the sponsored ones already take care on the online world. And boom, we now have a completely free, super valuable list of potential clients. Let's now look at two things in this example. First, does this business have a website? And if yes, what does it look like? If every business have a website already, it's not a problem at all because you could look at each of these websites and you will see a ton of websites which aren't modern or smart or something like this. And the second thing, what's their Google review situation? You can see a lot of Google reviews here, and we all knew that Google prefers businesses with a lot of reviews and good reviews. And don't forget that they love when a business always answer these reviews. We can help the business owners with AI to answer these reviews automatically. Now we just need to implement the solution for the potential clients and reach out to them. For this, we use a simple software called GoHighLevel, which is actively developed by around, I think, 1,800 employees. But be careful. With this tool, you can create unlimited, helpful and exciting solutions. Let's not get lost in all the opportunities and instead focus only on the two mentioned: website and reputation management. Fancy word for Google reviews. Normally you could try this software free for 14 days, but since I work more closely with GoHighLevel, you'll get a full 30-day trial to test everything out for yourself. But that's not all. You will definitely have questions. Everyone has different ideas and works different with their laptop. And here comes the biggest advantage: the GHL CLUB, which you get access to completely free by using the link in the description. We already have a few hundred people in there, and anyone who wants to can join our daily live calls, all hosted by high-level certified admins. We share screens and answer every single question. I have never heard of an offer like that in the world that supports you intensely as this one. You will also find many pre-built website templates and other useful tools. In our example, just type 𝗰𝗶𝗵𝗃 into the search bar and you'll find a so-called snapshot. Click, import, edit, done. To make the website not only look great but also be smart, we can add a chat widget and booking calendar with just a few clicks to help your future clients even more. And you can set your price completely yourself. But if you want to focus solely on Google reviews and help businesses win more clients than their competitors through better visibility, we've got the right tools for that too. One example, we'll set up a simple automation, and we're happy to help with that asks every happy customer for a Google review. And it goes one step further. Like I mentioned, Google loves it when reviews are answered by the business owner, and we handle that completely automatically using AI. Long story short, hit the like button, give me a comment down below, and let us start together. If you want to get started with a free trial right away, you will find the link below as well. I'm really excited about your start and especially for your first wins. And thanks so much for sticking around until the end, and see you next time. Bye.